Hi, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one is about Google My Business and adding a new post, and that's for either what's new, events, offers, or products. Okay, so once you're inside of Google My Business, and I'll put the link below, if you click on the Posts tab, then you'll be able to click on one of these. And if we make an offer, come to the bottom right, click on that, and you'll see here are the options. First thing we'll do is grab an image. Okay, and once we get an image uploaded, we can then come down and write what we want to post, like 6 months, same as cash. All right, if we want to add a button, we can say something like learn more. And this is where you'd put your website. From here, you can simply click publish. You have 3 other options that you can create. One would be an event, and of course that would be if you have something as say going on at your location, or if you're off at a convention. You can add dates and times of when it will occur, and like the others, you can also add a button which you can link back to your website, and you can also add an image. If we click on offers, you'll also see offers much like it, but for your business, of course, we're making an offer of something that we're offering, maybe a discount, some kind of coupon for this week. And again, you can set the dates, starting and ending date for it, and you'll see these other options that you can have. All right, last one we'll go over is product. And if your company creates products, obviously, you would want to crank out as many of these as you possibly can for your product. Name, price, and of course, if you don't want to put an exact price down, you can just turn that range on. All right, and again, what's important for SEO, go ahead and put a link to your website of maybe right where they can go ahead and buy that product right online. And the reason that you would want to do these is because these Google posts show up in both Google Maps, they show up in Google Search right below your business listing. So you can get those offers out, and all those clicks are free currently as of October 2018. All right, thanks. I hope this helped, and you can check in the description for more helpful information.